Hi folks, Don from the Blue Sage Merchant here. We're an eBay drop-off store and have many treasures come across our desk. Today we have a Bernina 730 Artista sewing machine. It looks great and operates smooth, but we need to find out the hours of use and stitch count by the previous owner to determine exactly how used this quilting machine really is. First, make sure that the machine is off. Then, while pressing and holding down the CLR or clear button, turn the machine power back on. Now keep holding down the CLR button or clear button until you see the utility screen come up. It takes about 45-50 seconds. There. Now release the clear button. And then press the I or information button. Now, touch the clock button and voila! Now you can see the power on time and the standby time, but the important one here is the total time. In this case, 381, well, almost 392 hours. So this doesn't have a lot of use, still in really good shape. Now, press the OK button. And we're going to look for the stitch count. There's a stitch symbol here. Press that, and we can see the total stitches is, 7,324,000, which really isn't a lot. Now, press OK again, and for bonus points, we're going to look at any maintenance that's been done. There, see the service symbol? Now here you can see it recorded, a service in 2017 and again in 2018. Cool. So, this is a well taken care of machine. I hope this handy trick has been helpful. Please like and comment on this video and check out our YouTube channel for more quality treasures. Thanks for watching.